Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Faruk's. Today we are going to learn 5 important phrases and idioms. These phrases and idioms is very important to make a good conversation. I hope after learning these phrases and idioms, you will be able to make a smart conversation with any other person. So, let's start our learning. Number 1. Hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack means a person or thing that is difficult to deal with. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো কঠিন সমস্যা কিংবা যা বোঝা খুবই কঠিন। For example, overpopulation is a hard nut to crack for Bangladesh. Another example, this problem is getting me down. It's a hard nut to crack. Number 2. A man of straw. A man of straw means someone who has a weak character. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো অপদার্থ অথবা দুর্বল চরিত্রের লোক। For example, nobody likes a man of straw. Another example, he was accused by his opponents of being a man of straw. Number 3. Now and again. Now and again means often, or you can say sometimes. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো মাঝে মাঝে। For example, he visits us now and again. Another example, he came here now and again. Number 4. Hard and fast. Hard and fast means fixed and definitive. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো ধরাবাঁধা। For example, Rabindranath did not like hard and fast rules of school. Another example, there are not hard and fast rules about it. Number 5. Call it a day. Call it a day means decide or agree to stop doing something. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো আজকের মতো যথেষ্ট কাজ হয়েছে বলে শেষ করা। For example, we have done a lot. Let's call it a day. Another example, I am getting a bit tired now. Let's call it a day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video very much. Please subscribe our channel. See you next time in next video.